Hey, hi Jagan.
Hi. Hello.
Yeah, okay. So today we'll discuss about union.
Yes. So actually, I have some doubt on for some tags actually you have given. No? So I have some doubt on this.
Join.
Yeah, join say.
Okay. Show me. You can share your screen. Which question?
Yeah, this. Actually, for this I go get a logic and from ChatGPT actually.
Okay. So which one you have? Seventh one.
Yeah, seventh one
Doubt.
actually, last one.
Okay. Show me the question again.
Yes.
Find employee who belongs to HR but earning more than sales department average salary. Okay. Go to your query.
Yeah, I use this query actually. Uh, this
Where
one.
go to top.
Yeah.
Uh, Select employee name, department name, base salary, average salary. Okay. Where
Then I
case.
use.
Why? No, this is not needed. This is so simple.
Yeah.
See, you need to find out the employee who belongs to HR. Okay. So
Yes.
where department equals to HR. Select star from whatever table name where
Here
department,
here
right?
yes, yes. Actually, in ChatGPT, it is showing soft query actually. Here I put the stop query also.
Okay, department in HR and IT. Why in IT?
Actually, I test two department name actually. It is coming or
No.
not.
Can you do one thing? Greater than average salary in sales department, right? So first
Yes,
calculate the average salary in sales department. Write a query.
yes. Actually, I need to know which query will run fast actually. The joins query or case statement. So I confused on this actually.
Okay, you can write it. I'll tell you.
May I?
First calculate the average salary. Between your join and case statement, you should join will always work first. Okay, so we have one execution order. So when we write select star from table name, we join some table, we write some filter condition where clause, or we do the group by having. So we have some execution order. So first from will execute. Select the star from table name. So from table name that will get executed first. If we join some table, then second one join. Okay. Then condition will work. For example, where city name equals to Bangalore. So that will work. After that group by will work. Then having. Then your select will work. So This is the mm, execution order.
Actually, that only I actually got confused actually.
Select average of what? Average of base cell.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Deleted automatically. I don't know what. And I put
Insert,
space.
press insert key. Insert key will be, where is it? Insert. Hmm. Zero. uh, Your laptop is
Yeah,
15.6
yeah, yeah.
inches, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh. Why two times you are calculating? I just asked you to calculate the average, right? Two
Yeah.
times why average?
No, actually, I have written it around here. Yes.
Okay, okay. Department head. No, no, no. Average of base salary
So,
from table name. No, no, this query is wrong. What? Why? Why? This is not the syntax, right?
this
Join.
one.
Join the department. Not there, not there. After from employee, join. Departments. Department table you join. On condition you applied. Department ID, depot deployment ID. Then you join payroll.
Yeah, this one.
This is the average. Okay, but
Yes.
scroll down. Show me payroll as on condition employed employee ID. Okay, fine. Then, but once again, scroll left. This is the average salary. This is not average salary for sales. You need to apply where clause as well at the
Yes.
end. Mm. Where D dot department name equals to sales. Now run this. Okay, so this is the average salary of sales. Okay, so
Yes.
you found this. Okay,
Yeah.
Now you need to find out employee who belongs to HR and who is
Yes.
earning greater than this. Okay,
Yes.
so this is your inner query. Now write outer query at the top 164. Leave this, go to 164. Now write for HR. So select employee ID, employee name, whatever. Employee ID, employee name, and base salary from table employee. E dot employee ID, E dot employee name, and from payroll you will get base salary. So for payroll S dot base salary from table employee E. Okay, then you need to join department E dot department ID. Okay, again join third table payroll on S dot employee ID. Okay, then we want HR. So where condition department name equals to HR. So D dot department name equals to HR, and we want
Staff salary.
base salary, S dot base salary greater than this much, greater than, put a parenthesis after that and close after sales. Done.
So, yeah.
Wrong.
Department
Department.
S.
Okay. Use that database.
Yes.
First select the database. No, use database. Okay, department. Okay. You need to write S departments.
Yeah, I'm giving wrongs.
Uh, okay. Hmm. Now see. So
In
Anita,
the yeah, yeah. Actually, if I give two no, actually, if I give two condition actually, sales and something other department, then it will work or not. I just want to know.
it will work. Why it will not? It will work.
Okay, actually, I have written the same query here only,
Mm-hmm.
but
Okay.
I got to one result actually
So
here
one
only.
result only you will get now.
Yes,
Check your table. See, one result, result, it doesn't matter. Whatever condition it will satisfy, you will get it. So in your table, I remember only one record was there who belongs to HR, who was earning more salary than the average sales salary. So if condition will match, definitely you will get those many number of records. Check your
actually, I
table
don't.
first. It will match, okay? No matter you check for how many uh, department. HR or IT, right? So click for,
Yes, yes.
yeah, with the
HR
IT.
IT finance.
Department one and two, IT and HR. Okay. Run this
Hold on,
one and two.
click.
Rahul and Anita. Okay, only Rahul Anita are there. No,
Yes, yes,
Neha is also there. One second, Neha is also there.
yes.
Rahul,
But
Anita, Neha. Okay.
yes,
And remember the employee ID 125. Okay. Now see the payroll. 125. Neha is not there. Only 1 2. Okay.
yes,
Anita and Rahul. So Anita's
yes, yes,
salary is 80,000. Rahul's salary is 50,000. Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
Now, what was the average salary?
Average salary 20,000.
20,000. So which
Yeah,
means you should get Rahul and Anita both.
you understood.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
so accordingly you need to apply. Okay. We had applied only HR. So
Actually,
we will get
I
Anita only.
yeah. Actually, I use this query actually here only, but I have given two condition here. Yeah, IT, HR and IT. I have given two condition. I have removed that actually. Here only I got a result actually for this.
See, in outer query and inner query, both the places you need to apply. Okay.
Yes.
Then you will get the output.
Yeah. Thank
Yeah, no
you.
problem. Okay. So we can start the union.
Yes, yes.
Let me share my screen.
So case statement is not required for every query actually.
No, it depends on the requirement, right? It's not
But
right everywhere.
Chat GPT asking actually, you can use case statement here also. No, no.
Depends on the question, right? Not everywhere we need to apply the case statement.
Yeah.
One question can be solved by multiple ways.
That's why I got confused actually. To query you got.
No, no, this here we can apply inner query. Okay,
Yes.
subquery we can use this
Yeah.
here. This is simple. First, so we need to find out HR name who was earning more than average salary of sales. So
Yeah.
this by seeing this, I mean reading this, we can simply identify this is inner query. First, we need to apply
Yes, yes.
the average salary. First, we'll calculate the average salary. Once we got the average salary, then we will
Then I
calculate
can
to
get
employee who belongs to HR. Okay,
actually.
simple. So the pro statement was divided into two parts. So here we can apply simple inner query. If I ask you, find out the number of employees who belongs to HR. Simple.
Yes.
You can apply this case statement is not needed.
Yes, yes.
So, so by reading the question, you will identify whether we need it or not. If I ask you to categorize the employee based on the
For
salary,
this, we need case
for
statement.
this, yeah, for this you need case statement. So when
Yes.
categorize is not there, why do we need case statement? Not needed.
Yes, yes. Understood.
Okay, so 9 union. Okay, fine. So what is union? So union, we are using union to combine the result of two sets. We were combining the results of two sets using joins as well. But
Yeah.
union is used to combine the rows,
Yeah.
whereas joins combines columns. Union combines rows. This is the
Rules.
difference between joins and
Yes.
union. Okay,
Yes.
so which means columns will get added um, horizontally. This is vertically in, right? So
Yes.
when in table 1 we had 10 records, 10 records. Okay, in table 2 we have 5 records. If the union condition matches, then it will be 15 records. This
Yes.
is union. We did a vertical appending.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
join, in case of join, in case of join, we will be having only 10 records. Okay, records will be 10, but
Yeah.
columns will get added. More columns will get added if join condition satisfies. So join condition satisfy in the sense both the tables should have common
Same column.
column,
Common column.
else common column, else we cannot join the table. And
Yes.
here union condition is it should have same column name, same data type. Okay, so data will come from data can come from multiple sources, but both the table have similar structure. Then
Yeah.
only we can do the union.
Yeah.
Okay, so remember one thing for union, table name does not matter for union or for join also, but the
Yeah.
column meaning matters here. For union,
Column meanings.
column meaning matters.
Okay.
So you whenever we do the union, it will remove the duplicates automatically. Okay,
Yeah.
we have union versus union all.
Union all.
Okay, um, 1 second. Union, and here we have union all. Okay, so first thing is duplicate. Okay, so union will remove the duplicates. Union.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
here I can write remove,
Duplicates.
but when we do the union all, it will not remove the duplicates.
Yeah.
All means we are unioning all the records, so it will not remove any duplicates.
Okay.
It's like whenever we do full outer join, so we get all the records, right? Full outer join.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So similar to that, we will get all means everything will get, so it will not remove the duplicate, but union will remove the duplicates.
Duplicates.
Now regarding the performance, the union is slower compared to union all, so I can say this is faster. And when do we use?
Huge case
So
test.
whenever we want to, yeah, whenever we want to clean the data, so in that
Yes.
case we will use union clean data, and for raw
Yes.
data we can use
Union.
union all. Okay, this is the
Yeah.
use case, this is performance, and this is duplicacy.
Yeah.
Cool. So now if we want to combine IT and sales employee, we need to
Yeah.
combine the IT and sales employee. Okay,
Yeah.
we want to show all the employee who belongs to IT or sales in the same table. Okay,
Yeah.
same table we will apply. First we will
Select.
see the same table. Hmm.
Yeah.
So okay, first let me write the question. Um, so all employee who belong to IT or sales. Okay, so what we can write? Select employee ID,
Employee.
employee ID. Then we can write
Employee.
employee name. Okay,
Department.
then here only I can add because we will join the same table, correct?
Yes.
Do the union of same table. Here I can write IT as department.
Yeah.
Department. From which table? Employee table.
Right.
Employee or employees? I don't remember.
Employee. AE
Employee,
actually.
right?
Yes.
Okay. employee. Then okay, give an alias here, employee. Then we'll join department,
Yes.
departments, D on E dot department ID. Department ID equals to D dot department
Department.
ID. And here I will apply the filter as well, where
Yeah.
D dot department ID equals to IT.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So from this query, we'll get only
IT and
IT.
related employee. IT department
Correct.
employees.
Right. So let me run this first. No database selected. Okay. Departments. Okay.
So here in result
Has
set,
been
yeah, result set you have not given a set departments. Select after select.
after select.
IT as departments.
No, this is fine. This is fine. This is just the
Okay.
column name. Okay.
Okay.
This is just the column name. In one, see, we'll get one employee ID. We'll
Yes.
get employee name and the department
Okay.
as column. So we'll get three column. See, three column.
Here you have to give the e dot emp id, e dot emp name.
So department ID will also work. Okay. From employee department D, employee dot ID, D dot department ID, department ID. Where department ID equals to IT. We don't have any. How is it possible? One second, let me see the tables. We have no department ID equals to the department ID is there. In employee also we have department ID. Okay, so we have the data. Why we are not getting? That's what I'm thinking.
Yes.
One second. Employee on condition is fine. IT.
Can I
There
put right
is
chain in
IT
after?
is there or not? One second. IT is there. Yeah, what you was asking?
No, actually, department wise employee means we can put right chain
No, no, not
department.
no, no, no. It's not like that. This join means it will act as inner join. Okay, simple join means inner join. So whatever common is
Yes.
there,
Yeah.
so we'll get it. Mm. ID, department ID. Oh, okay. See, department ID cannot be IT, correct?
Yeah.
That's what it's department name.
Yeah. Yes. Default.
Now
Yeah.
we are getting.
Yes.
Okay. So see, we have employee ID, employee name, and department. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you're confusing, you can remove this part. We have department name as well. So you can write department name. So D dot
Department.
department name.
Name.
See. So we got the same thing, right? Okay.
Yes.
So this so we showed all the employee who belongs to IT. Now our question was, so all the employee who belongs to IT
Or
or
same.
sales.
Sales.
So simply we'll copy this sales.
Yes.
Now from here we'll get IT. From here we'll get sales. Now what we'll do? We'll do the union. Okay?
Yeah.
Union of this
Yes.
and
Yes.
this. IT or union or sales.
Yeah.
So see, we got Rahul, Monica, Neha.
Yeah.
Okay.
It will
This
patch
is
the
you
only the unique records actually. The
only
union
unique
will.
records.
Yeah.
Only unique.
Okay.
Yeah. Only unique. It removes the duplicate automatically.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is from a single table. We joined, I mean, employee department with employee department. Same table we did the union. Okay. Same table, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Now, if we need to do the union of different table, actually we are doing on different table only. Okay. So for
Yeah.
that, we should have, as I said, the table should store similar data. Okay.
Yes.
And so we will try to create some more table. So we have employee table currently, right?
Yes.
Then we can create another
Yes.
table, let's say X employee, employee and X employee. So select a start from employee. So we have this employee table. Now we'll create X employee table.
Yeah. Create the data.
Create table employee archived.
Okay.
Mm, employee ID. It will be in integer.
Column might be different for new table actually.
Column names.
Yes. Yes. Or same.
No, it should be same. Data type should be same. Name should be same.
Okay.
Okay. Department ID integer. Okay. Employee name is varchar. Data type
Yes.
varchar. Size I can give 20. Department ID is done. Status also it should be in varchar. Active inactive. So 10 is enough. This is fine. Create the table. Employee archive and then insert some record. Insert into table name. Employee
Okay.
archived values.
Yes.
Okay, value we can put see. Value can be different. Okay, it can anything.
Mm.
But the data type column name should be same. Um, one second, let me see the employee first. One, two, two. Okay, wait. So employee ID here I can put 201 and the employee name, let's say Ramesh Patel, employee name. Then department ID, let's say 4 and status exited. Let's say 1 Patil, Suresh Patil. Okay, done. Only two records for now we will insert. Hmm. Okay, so in employee, uh, one second, let me copy this. So you can see in employee archive, we have two records who has exited the organization, Ramesh and Suresh, department ID 1 and 4. Okay,
Yes,
now we'll see the employee. So total here two records, and in employee we have total 7 records. Okay,
yes,
1 and 4. Okay, hmm. Fine. So 6, 7 plus 2 total, we should have 9 records when we do the union. Let's see. So now we have same column, we have same data type
yeah,
in both the tables.
yes. But there is one new column already. New
Ah,
status.
that new column where? Okay, status. That is fine.
Okay,
Okay, we will not do the select star. We will use select column names. It doesn't
yes,
matter your first column have 10 columns, second table can may or may not have 10 columns. It can have 2 columns as
okay,
well. It can have 50 columns as well. Will not do select star. We'll do select column name, particular column name.
okay,
So that doesn't matter. Column count doesn't matter. So
yeah,
we'll select employee ID. These are common in both the table.
yes.
Employee name is also
Employee
common
name.
in both the table.
Yeah, department type.
Department ID. Department ID.
State.
Department ID. Here status is not there. Okay. Status we have in different table. So we will do one thing. One second. Select staff from payroll. Where is the status department?
Yeah,
Um,
employee archive.
no, no. We previously also we added right. Status. Where is his status? Is active or inactive? Or we don't.
Previously it was created.
Okay, no problem. We'll add one more here. Okay, add one more column. Status. Because we are I mean, we are comparing, right?
Yes, yes,
Which employee has exited, which employee has is still working.
yeah,
So we need to
yes,
add here as well. In employee, I will do one thing. I'll add one more column. Here itself. Okay. Uh, alter table, table
table,
name,
table, add,
add,
column name,
add column name. What is the column name?
status,
Status.
state, yeah,
Column name. It will be in varchar and the
barcode,
size will be 20. Now insert the record. So insert into
certain
table name employee
values,
and we want no not values. We will fill
values,
only status.
yes,
Status values. active. Okay, no, will not insert, will update.
Update actually. Yes.
Hmm.
Let's set.
Update table, same line I can write.
Set
Set the status equals to
active.
active.
Where
No, where we will not write because for all the employees, they are
okay.
working, right? So for all
Yes,
the
yes.
employee, it will get updated. Hmm. Okay, fine. Update this. Now see the employee once again. All are active, which means all are working in the organization. No one has left
Yes.
the organization. Okay.
Yeah.
But here in archived, you will see all have
You are
exited.
exited.
They left. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So now here I can add one more status. Okay. From table name. So from employee table.
Mm.
This is fine. If I run this, we'll get the data. Employee ID, employee name, department ID, status. Okay, great. Now I'll copy this and do the same employee ID, employee name, department ID, status. But this
Right.
time I'll select this table.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll get two records with these columns. Okay. Now I will do union. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. So when we do the union, so the these will get added to our first table, employee table. Okay. This data will get added to this employee table.
Yes.
Now let's see. We had till this one in first table, then 201 and 20. Okay,
Two
okay.
zero
Both are same.
one. Yes.
It's same only. Okay, that's fine. Because this is not the primary key, so it has not written any error. So this is okay. But Ramesh and Suresh got added, right? And
Yes. Yes.
they left the
Exit.
organization. So whenever we want to compare this, we can use the union.
Okay.
So here we had shown all the employee who are currently working or they left the organization. So for this case, we can do the apply union.
And the table is different actually.
Table was
Then
different. Organization. So this mostly HR are validating these things. Which employee left the organization and who are working on this. Okay.
yeah.
Whenever we want to remove the duplicate, we can use union. And if we want to keep the duplicate, we can use union all. This is the difference. Which
Yes.
duplicates means which will ensure all the employees are unique. Same employee we cannot have, right?
No.
So all we will use union.
Yes.
Okay. Then okay. If you want to label the employee, okay, label the not employee. Let's say you want to label the data source, which means now currently we are seeing the status as active and exited, right? In
Yes.
place
Yes.
of active and exited, if you want to replace the value from current and archive, can you do that? You got it? No,
Yes.
really.
Yes. We can do, but we have to modify by using case statement. I think. I don't know.
Not this statement. Simple. I'll copy this.
Then we can rename if it is
Yeah, that's what
required.
we need to rename. Label
Yes. Yes.
data source. It's simple. Remove the
Yes.
status. If I remove the status, let's say Suppose we don't have a status column in our table. Okay, let's
Yes.
suppose we don't have a status column in our table. So if I run this, we'll get this thing: employee, employee name, and department ID we got.
Yes.
Okay. But here we cannot identify whether Sanjay left or is still working. Suresh left the organization or is still working. We cannot able to identify, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Assuming we
Actually, we
don't
have
have a
not
state.
added. We have not added the columns. No. Then we did not
No, no,
get.
no. Assume we don't have a status column in our table. Assume.
Okay.
So in that case, keeping in mind we don't have a status column in our table, in that case, we can do one thing. Here itself we can write this is current as source or status, anything.
Okay. We have to do yes, add the imaginary
Correct.
columns. Then.
Right, right. And here I can write exited. Done. Now
Yes.
what we'll get? We'll get one column employee ID, second column employee name, third column department ID, and fourth column will get source column where we'll get the data as current and exited.
Okay. Yes.
These are calculated column. Okay. So now you can see these are current employees and they have exited or archived anything current or
Yes.
archived. So this is very crucial when we do the auditing and debugging. So generally
Mhm.
auditing all these are done by payroll team, right? So they will do these kind of stuff. So this is very important. Now, whenever you want to do multi-system integration, let's say for ERP and CRM, you want to combine the data. So you can combine using union all. So select whatever column name from let's say HR system, union on,
Yes.
select the column name from payroll system. So by doing this, we can integrate the multiple system.
Yes. Yes. How many tables we can means join union or union or
And it's not limited. You can do any number.
okay. But it will take more time now if I manually use this.
Obviously it will take more time. Yeah, it will take more time. See, we have to do this anyhow. We have to solve the problem, and we want to optimize it. So it depends what is the requirement. Based on that, we'll write the logic.
Okay.
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 Now, one thing you want to understand is union is not for relationship. Okay.
Yeah.
Union is for whenever you have similar data set, similar as we saw
Yes.
in employee archive, we had the similar data sets. In
Yes.
that case, we can go for union.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm, okay, now I'll give you some assignments.
Yeah.
You got the difference, right? What is difference between join and union? In
Yes.
union,
Yes.
we are combining the rows, and in joins, we are combining the columns.
Columns.
And in case of union, our column name data type should
Yeah.
match.
Matched.
Okay.
But joint it is not required. One column should be matched.
No, yeah,
Uh, okay.
uh,
To get all the value.
correct. So we have these tables, right? Employee, employees there, employee
Maybe
archive,
employer
payroll, and department. Now we have
department.
four tables.
Yes.
Okay, four tables we have. Mhm. Yes, yes, the archive.
So can you join? Uh, can you write the query like joined and uh, and what union and union are in same query,
I didn't
or
get
we
you.
have
We
to
did
add?
that, right? No, no, we did that previously. Join and union. See,
Okay,
we perform join and union both.
okay. Yeah,
Everything we
it's
can do.
interesting. Yeah,
We can do that. Already we have done that. Okay, fine. Communicate is missing. Uh, list employee. Hmm. Uh, employees means 1 second. First of all, uh, current employee, employer, employee current. Okay. Mm, First of all, rename the employee. So
yeah.
alter table, table name, employee,
What you rename?
rename, rename, uh, to employee
Employees.
current. Now we should not have this employee table.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now we have employee current. Okay, done. Huh. Okay, employee means this one
Yeah.
plus this one. We have two tables belongs to
Yeah.
employee. Okay, so you need to list down the employees uh, whose department is missing. So we can see just now I saw right. 1 second. For Neha, department ID is not there. See,
Yes.
for Mona,
Mm.
department ID is not there. So you need to find out the employees whose department is missing. So for Mona, only a department is missing. We can see
Yes.
that here as well in departments. If no, I think in employee we should get that department ID. Hmm. For Mona, department ID is missing. Okay, so you need to
Yeah.
list down that. Current and not kind common. What is okay? We'll do one thing. Where is that? First of all, we need to make changes this. So what we'll do, we'll update, right? Update table
Yes.
name,
Table name set.
set what is this?
Department
Employee ID.
ID.
No, no,
Mm.
employee ID.
Sorry, employee ID.
Employee ID equals to
Mm.
202, where
Where employee ID current orders.
no, not employee ID. Employee name. Because both have 201, right?
Yes, yes.
So ID we cannot take. Employee name equals to Suresh Patil. If we take employee ID, it will update both the places 202. So we can't do
Yes,
that.
yes.
So now we'll take employee name, update this. Now it got updated. Okay, 202. Now we'll add one more record. not here, but we'll see current employee. We'll add some common employee. Okay. Rahul Suresh Verma is active. 103 Suresh Verma. Okay. 103 Suresh Verma. His name. Department ID is 3 and exit date. If now it's exited. Okay. Done. So this Suresh Verma, whose employee ID was 103. Okay, I have
Yeah.
put this in both the table. Okay, so this employee you will see common in both the table. Correct? You
Yes.
can see Suresh is in current employee as well, and in
Yes.
archived as well. You will see Suresh with the same employee ID. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
So now you need to find out the employee who appear in both the table. Who? Suresh. Correct?
Sorry. Yes. But in real time, it is not possible.
Not possible. Correct. This is just to, I mean, understand how this union works. I am giving
Yes.
the um, problems. In real time, it is not
Yes.
possible. Okay. So as we did join, we did union. There is one more thing, intersect, which means common. In maths, you
Yeah.
know, right? Intersect,
Yes. Yes.
which means common. So in place of, see, for union, what we did, I mean, select column from table one,
Yeah.
then
Hold on.
then
Table.
yeah, join,
Joins.
right? Join
Yes.
T2, table two. Similarly, we
Yes.
did union. We wrote union keyword. Similarly, we have intersect as well. Okay, you can apply the intersect as well. So, this you should know this concept. Okay, later we can apply the intersect as well to find out the common between both the table. Okay, whenever
Yeah.
we do the when we go to Databricks, at that time I'll tell you. For now, you can
Okay. So
learn this thing. Um, hmm, yeah, you need to find out the employees who exist in archived. Okay, who exist in archive table, which means these three records, archive table, but not in current. Who exist in archive but not in current, which means these two, or 201 and 202.
yes.
That's it.
Okay.
So do this at night.
Yeah.
We'll connect and we'll cover. Uh, Let me see. Aggregate function, SQL clause. Subquery is also already completed. Okay. We I gave you that example. That is example of subquery, but still I'll cover. We'll try to cover aggregate function clause and subquery. Okay, we'll see. Okay, any doubt in this?
No.
Okay, so let's connect back to night.